Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and this is KOG John, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to import a full song into Caustic. So for that you just need two devices, two applications, one Caustic and second one is an audio converter. So you can get a lot in Play Store. I'm using this one. I'll give you the link in the description. So I'll be taking one random song and convert this to WAV file. So after I convert this, then this application is useless. Then you have to go to Caustic and then you have to go and take vocoder. So this is the vocoder. So after take vocoder, you have to click on this button over here, this button. So when you click it, you'll go to the wave editor and then click on load and go to the area where it is there. So this is the song. So now I'll go to tools and detect BPM. So they're showing 128. Then click on volume and just click on try like this. So now change the BPM to 128 and then go over here, go to C1, like this is the pattern. Click on this button and then you get like this pattern. So click on C1 and drag it until the song finishes, like the area where the song finishes. So mine's finished at 120. Yeah, so over here. And then go back to the pattern section and then again do the same method over here. So as you can see, I have inserted it. Now I just have to put the audio. So now you have to go to the vocoder back and click on 8h grid. So after do that, you have to go to, you have to click on C4 and just drag it again and then yes, and then finished. The song is ready. So this is how you can import a song in Caustic 3. If you want the vocals, you have to click the vocoder's dry option from here to here to the mats. Then only the vocals will be clear. So this is how you import a full song in Caustic 3. So the song I used in this is Spectre, which is made by me, Alan Walker Spectre. So this remake will be uploaded when I get 100 subscribers. The project file and the remake will be uploaded when I get 100 subscribers. This is a 100 subscriber special, and even when I get 100 subscribers I will be giving out a free Caustic pack. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And yeah, that's it. So thank you.